The 2011 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, 1 owner, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, leather, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.